I just checked the weather and it says that there's no rain. These 3 steps right here, we're gonna go ahead and do that. You can tell a different colored green right here and then different colored green all right here. And then their main concern was getting under here. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Northern Wash Pressure Washing. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have a house wash, and then we're also doing the concrete surface cleaning in the front, and we may have some rain, so hopefully we get everything done before the rain comes. It's supposed to be like a small thunderstorm for like about an hour, so hopefully we do get everything done. And again, it's just me by myself, so yeah, stay tuned. Okay guys, I just got done talking with the customer. This is the house behind me. So we're just doing their property. So these 3 steps right here, we're gonna go ahead and do that. This one is the sidewalk from the neighborhood. I'll go ahead and I'll prep all this. I'll give you guys the walk around. It's just a 1-story home. Here's the back of the house. We're not doing the deck. The deck is pretty clean, but we are washing the fireplace. And then their main concern was getting under here. All around the house, this turned black and you can see it all the way up there. The house is not vinyl siding. It's like, this has a lot of names. It's like wood, but it's like, they call it lap board, clap board, hardy board, lots of different names. Everyone calls it different, but yeah. You can tell in a lot of areas the paint is starting to like wear off. I let them know about that. And you can see also like where they did the paint stroke up to, and then where they started a new one. And then you can see how it goes around over here. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's showing up on the camera, but or if you guys even get what I'm trying to explain, but you can definitely see it right here, like where they stopped and started a new paint. I also want to add, this is not oxidation. From just looking at it, it looks similar, but it's not. It's just a paintbrush stroke. You can also confirm it's not oxidation by rubbing your fingers across the surface, which I did, and no paint rubbed off on my fingers. It's just the hardy board needs to be painted again. It's the same thing all around. This white part right here is all dirty, so I'll make sure to get all that nice and clean. And it's just this 1-story house today. It's a pretty nice day so far. It's probably 73 right now. It's supposed to get to a high of 80, so not too bad. And then under here we'll make sure all this is nice and clean, because again it just turns like really black up in here. So yeah, we'll get all this nice and clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and tape up the house, and then once I'm done taping up the house, I'll go ahead and start doing the surface cleaning, put the soap on, and then rinse. Yeah, in the front you can tell the sun really beats on the house, and you can tell how it's like, it's not even like you can tell a different colored green right here and a different colored green all right here. Okay, I just finished putting up all the tape. You can see, put all the tape everywhere. Put it around the house too, in the back. I'm just gonna go around and blow off this deck right here and the concrete that I'm going to clean, and I'm going to also blow off the one in the back. The reason for that is I feel like once I start putting all of the soap on, it's just going to make more of a mess, and it's going to be harder for me to clean off because all that's going to get wet. So I'm just going to blow it off first. That way when I go to put the soap on and rinse it off, it'll be easier for me to clean up. Alright, I'm all set up for the surface cleaning. I'll give you guys one last view of how it looked. You can see all of the pollen right here and how it's all black, especially over here. All of the sides too. I mean, it's got pollen all over the thing. You can see these spots right here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make it look nice and new. And I do have the cones out because safety first, and there is a lot of people right here walking. You can see a gentleman down there walking his dog. Earlier there was kids. So yeah, safety first. Okay, I just finished doing the first surface cleaning of these steps. Could already tell there's a huge difference. I tried to do a nice straight line right here. I did overlap a little bit in some areas, but I don't think it should be a problem. Now I'm going to add the soap to the concrete and to the brick chimney. I keep calling the chimney a fireplace chimney, whatever, same thing. I'm gonna add them to the concrete and the brick chimney because it needs to be a little bit stronger. And then I'll turn it back down and then we'll start washing the front of the house. The soap for the house will be around 1%, and for the concrete I will be doing 2%. Okay, so change of plans. The sun is really beating on this. You can already see some parts over there that's already drying. So I don't want the soap to dry on, especially on the hardy board. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this area before I move on to the back or the sides. I just finished the front. I'll show you guys how everything came out. Some parts are already starting to dry. You can tell right there where it's wet and dry. All of the white trim around the house came out really nice and clean. You know what? Actually seeing some, I need to get like on the inside. I need to get on like the inside. You can't see it from here, but I'm gonna clean that before I move on to the next spot. It's the only thing that I see in here. Everything came out really good. the white trim on houses, I feel like it always makes the color pop, or like the house pop. It just gives it like a nice outline up there too. Everything came out nice and clean. What you see right here in some spots, it's just like the wood needs to be painted again. You can tell it's clean, just the wood needs to be painted again. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, everything came out really good. I'll show you guys how it looked before. That's how it looks before. It just has a bunch of dirt and mud on it, and then now it looks like this. Oh yeah, you can tell. I gotta get on the inside of that. Yeah, good thing I'm checking right now. But yeah, now it looks way better. You can tell right here the difference. Let me hit the inside of that panel, and then we can move on to the back. I just checked the weather, and it says that there's no rain, but it is super dark over there. But once you start turning around, it kind of looks like not dark. It's still cloudy, but it's not as dark as it is over there, that area. So hopefully we don't get any rain. So I'll go ahead and put some soap on the inside of that trim, and then I'll rinse this off, and then I'll go ahead and I'll rinse off that board, and then we'll move on to the back. And actually, it's good that I saw that right now, so I'll be checking all of the insides of the boards all the way around the house, so I don't have to redo it every time. I'll make sure that I get it on the first time. Okay, I'm just gonna add soap to this. You can see how it looks right now. This side too, I'm gonna add some. It doesn't look as bad, but I'm just gonna add some to it. Alright, just let that dwell for some time, and then we'll come back and we'll rinse it off. Yeah, we won't leave that on. I'll leave this here just in case there's still some that didn't fully come off. Can't wait to eat. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and add soap to this. I use the power of YouTube to fast forward and show you guys how clean it comes out. In 3, 2, 1. Look at that. So nice and clean. Everything came out really good. All the white trim is back to being white. Made sure to get in here, clean the window well really good. I made sure to get up in there too. from both sides. Yeah, see, I got it in here. Make sure I got all the trim. All looks nice and white now. You know, sometimes when you see these, you're like, oh, no one's ever gonna get in behind there, take a look. No, don't do that. Do not cut corners, because you never know if he's gonna call somebody to paint the trim or do something, and then you're the one that's getting in trouble, because the guy that comes in here is gonna tell them like, hey, they didn't come in here and clean it. That right there is just, it's just starting to get rotten. But yeah, let's do a walk around, make sure we got everything nice and clean. This looks good, looks good. All this is nice and clean. The windows look good. Looks good. Back here, let's take a look at how this came out. I think that came out really good. There's still some spots. I left some soap. I rinsed it off and I added some more. I didn't capture that, but it looks really good. You can tell all that should die off. I put some more soap on it. But yeah, everything came out really good. Over here too, everything dried up already. Over here looks good. I can't tell if that's a water spot or not, but I'm gonna rinse that right there. I think that's the only thing. Oh, there's one more. Yeah, I'll rinse the bottom of that one too. I can see some. This one too. I'll rinse the bottom of that. Over here in the front, looks good. I'll rinse that too. I could see some like brown spots under there too. I'll rinse that. I think that's the only thing that I see. Oh, let's take a look at this. Look at this. This is dry. And then I try to blend it in with this. You can, cause you could tell the line was right there, but I try to blend it in and it looks a lot better. But yeah, this is nice and clean. Looks really good. Yeah, under here it's just this. Everything else is good. All the corners and stuff is good. Alright, I'm just gonna get those spots that I mentioned and then I'll start wrapping up, because I still have to go do an estimate. So, and I'm hungry. I haven't ate yet. Oh, I gotta rinse that a little bit. Okay, alright. Alrighty, that is a wrap. I just did the walk around with the customer. He was very happy with how it came out. Sent us the payment. Now I have to go do 2 estimates. Luckily they're in the same town, and I gotta get some food because I am starving. It is 2:31. It took a lot longer than I thought it should have taken. I don't know why. I mean, we didn't run into any problems. I just feel like it was the surroundings of the house that took a while, because everything else was flowing pretty smooth. Everything turned out great though, so I can't complain. Hopefully they give us a good review. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Are you a business owner seeking to elevate your business to new heights? Or are you an aspiring entrepreneur eager to launch your own business? If you're looking for guidance and support to achieve your goals, look no further. Do you own a pressure washing company or service company? Are you struggling to land jobs or grow your business? I offer personalized solutions depending on where you are in the growth stage of your business. I can help you with your business strategy, marketing, sales, operations, or any other challenges you may be facing. Ready to take your business to the next level? Book a consultation today. Visit my website to learn more, northernbusinesscoach.com.